Hello everyone. Thanks to one of our community friends, recently I get to know that TIGR Broker Singapore is having a sign-up promotion. This round, TIGR is offering one free Disney share if we fund Sing dollars 2000. As on 16 April, the Disney share worth around USD 186 to 187. This is equivalent to around Sing dollars 250 or Ringgit Malaysia 770. Apparently, TIGR is now competing with Mumu, which offers a free Apple share until 31st of April. With so many promotions, you may wonder, is this too good to be true? Can this be trusted? In this video, I will address the following: why these brokers offer such a good promotion for the first timer to open and fund an account with them, won't that they lost a lot of money by giving free commission trades and free share? Since I already opened TD Ameritrade accounts and Futu Mumu account and get a free Apple share, will I open a TIGR account to get the offer? Disclaimer: this is not an advice on how you should invest your money in stock market. This is also not an advice on where we should park our money in. Please do your own research before making any decision. When a broker opens their new branch in a new country, they will give many attractive offers. Here, let us know how a broker earns money. Everyone knows that broker charges a fee or commission when we execute a trade. Some brokers also charge platform fee to develop their platform. Therefore, more people execute the trades will give them higher profit. The first important criterion for them to earn money is get more traders or investors to use their platform. In order to attract more people use their platform, good offer is required. Most of them offer free commissions for a new user who open the account. Does this mean that they won't be making any profit during this period of time? Not really. You may notice that in order to get their free share, the most attractive gift, we need to fund a certain amount of cash in our account. For example, we need to fund Sing dollars 2,700 in Futu account to get a free Apple share, while Sing dollars 2,000 is required for TIGR to get a free Disney share. The keyword here is funded account. Here I'm going to introduce the next method for a broker to earn a profit: interest income. When we fund our account, the broker acts like a bank. The broker now can lend others investor or trader our money, known as margin lending. For the US market, TIGR's interest rate is around 3.25% to 4.07%. For Futu, the margin interest rate is 6.8%. Interest occurred on a daily basis for most of the brokers. Now, do you know why they will only give us free share if we funded the account, as they can roll the money to generate interest income? Securities lending is another way for the broker to earn a profit. For example, our accounts, which opens under both TIGR and Futu Mumu, are custodian accounts. In brief, a custodian account is an account where the broker owns the shares on our behalf. In this case, the broker is the rightful owner of the shares. Thus, they have the right to lend our shares to others investors for short selling. Then, they will charge a fee on it and profit from it. Now, we know how the broker earns their profit. By giving free share to attract more people to open and fund the account, the more money they can use to earn the interest income via margin lending. Some investors or traders will stick to the broker after fund the account, and the broker will earn the recurring income from them for each transaction. When more investors fund the accounts and hold the stock for long term, the broker will have more shares to lend to increase their securities income as well. As the result, in short term, their expenses will increase by giving out the free share. But in long term, the more people open and fund the accounts, the more profit they will earn. For example, look on the earning report from Futu. Commission income is only part of their total revenue. Similarly, commission income is also only a part of the total revenue for TIGR broker. Therefore, although some people may just fund the account, get the free share, sell it, and withdraw all the money, but because of the network effects, they will manage to get a pool of people to fund the account. There will be always serious investors or traders who will stay with the platform. Then, the broker will be able to make recurring profit from there. You may consider these free shares are spent as the advertisement budget for their existing clients to promote their platform via word of mouth. Of course, why not when they are giving free money? Does it sound too good to be true? Not really now, if you know how they can earn the money in longer term. But we still need to check the security of this broker. First, go to MAS website. TIGR broker is regulated by MAS with a capital market service license. Next, TIGR is backed by XiaoMi and Interactive broker. TIGR is also listed on Nasdaq with a ticker of TIGR. We can check its earning report to understand their financial status anytime. TIGR Broker Singapore has also appointed DBS Bank as the designated custodian bank for clients' funds. DBS is the biggest bank in Singapore. For full tool, you can refer the video on the top right corner for the security check. It is a legit promotion. The current TIGR promotion, by funding a Sing dollars of 2,000, we will get 60 commission free trades between 180 days and 1 free Disney share. I have personally opened and funded the account. I have received a notification on receiving the free Disney share. What I will do next, as I am already using the Mumu account for my retirement fund, I will just park my Disney share in this broker. I will withdraw the remaining money. The withdrawal is free of charge too. As I do not know when the promotion is until, please get this offer as soon as you can. The link to open the account is attached in the description of the video. If you are using my link to open an account and approve, no need to fund it, let me know. I can give you a free stock analysis with a report, including their income trend, debt profile, future growth driver, valuation, and technical analysis. But I won't give any advice on whether you should buy it or not. Let me know if you need help. See you in the next video.